Are you planning to sell your house and want to get the best price possible? Preparation is more than just a step. It's the cornerstone of a successful sale. It's about presenting your house in its best light, making it irresistible to potential buyers. A well-prepared home can attract more interest, prompt competitive offers, and ultimately secure a higher selling price. It's not just about cleaning and decluttering. It's about showcasing a lifestyle that buyers aspire to. Remember, the key to a successful sale is a well-prepared home. The first step is to declutter your home. But why is this important? Well, imagine yourself as a potential buyer. When you walk into a cluttered space, it's hard to see past the mess and really take in the home's features. You might even feel overwhelmed and a bit uncomfortable. Now, think about stepping into a clutter-free house. It's airy, spacious, and inviting. You can easily visualize your own belongings in the space, making it feel like home. So how do you effectively declutter? Start by sorting through your belongings. Anything that you don't need or use regularly, consider selling, donating, or throwing away. Next, keep only the essentials out and store the rest neatly away. And remember, less is more. The fewer items you have, the more spacious your home will appear. Finally, keep your home tidy. Regularly clean and dust to maintain a fresh, inviting atmosphere. A clutter-free home is a buyer's dream. Make it a reality for them. Next, it's time to tackle any necessary repairs and maintenance. But what should you prioritize? This question is often asked by homeowners preparing to sell their homes. The key here is to focus on glaring issues that could deter potential buyers. A leaky faucet, peeling paint, or a creaky door could be seen as red flags to prospective buyers. These seemingly minor issues might lead them to wonder what other problems could be lurking unseen. But it's not just about fixing things that are broken. Regular maintenance plays a crucial role too. It's like showing your house's report card to potential buyers. A well-maintained furnace, clean gutters, and a freshly painted exterior are silent testimonials to the care you've taken of your home over the years. Remember, when buyers see a home that has been well cared for, they imagine that their own lives there will be easier, more comfortable. A well-maintained home not only attracts buyers, but it also increases your chances of securing a higher selling price. Now that your house is clean and in good condition, it's time to stage it. But what does this entail? Home staging is all about creating an environment that allows potential buyers to see the best aspects of your home. It's about enhancing the space, showcasing its strengths, and creating a welcoming atmosphere that invites people to imagine themselves living there. First, let's talk about furniture. The arrangement of your furniture can have a significant impact on how spacious and inviting a room feels. You want to create a flow that guides the eye through the room, highlighting the space's functionality and appeal. Next, let's discuss decor. Decor should be tasteful and minimal. You're not trying to impress buyers with your personal style, but rather you're trying to present a neutral canvas that they can imagine adding their own personal touches to. Color plays a big role here. Neutral colors like whites, beiges, and grays are universally appealing and can make a space feel larger and brighter. Personal items, such as family photos or hobby-related items, should be minimized. The goal is to depersonalize the space so that potential buyers can easily visualize themselves and their belongings in the home. Remember, the aim of home staging isn't to hide flaws, but to highlight the home's best features. It's all about creating an environment that feels warm, inviting, and easy to imagine living in. A well-staged home allows potential buyers to visualize themselves living in the space, making them more likely to make an offer. Lastly, don't forget the final touches. What are these, you ask? Well, they're the little details that can make a big difference. Think of it like adding a dash of spice to a dish. Just the right amount can elevate the entire experience. Fresh flowers in a vase, for instance, can add a pop of color and a touch of life to any room. They're a simple yet effective way to make your home more inviting. Similarly, a pleasant scent can instantly create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. You could use scented candles, essential oils, or even freshly baked cookies to achieve this. Keeping your home clean and tidy is another crucial aspect of the final touches. When potential buyers walk in, they should see a home that's ready to move into, not a mess they'll have to clean up. And last but not least, curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing buyers see. Make a great first impression, keep the lawn mowed, edges trimmed, and gardens weeded, add fresh mulch and seasonal flowers. If you have patio space, add some outdoor furniture. With these final touches, your home is now ready for potential buyers. Happy selling!